Hey everyone! Welcome back to Automotive Marketing Masterclass. Today we're diving into 5 killer visual marketing tips that every car dealership needs to boost online leads and drive sales. Let's get started. Tip 1. High-quality vehicle imagery. First impressions matter, especially in the automotive industry. When potential buyers visit your website, they're looking for clear, consistent, and high-resolution images of the vehicles. Invest in professional photography to capture each vehicle's details and features. Tools like 360-degree car photography apps allow customers to explore vehicles virtually, rotating and inspecting every angle from the comfort of their screens. This can significantly impact their decision-making process. Tip 2. Leverage the power of video marketing. Did you know that 74% of online content is video-based? That's right. Video content is the most engaging form of visual marketing. Videos captivate your audience, provide valuable insights into your vehicles and dealership experience, and build trust without potential buyers needing to visit your dealership. Tip 3. User-generated content, or UGC. User-generated content involves customers sharing their experiences, photos, videos, and opinions about your dealership and vehicles. Encourage customers to submit their best photos or videos of their vehicles through contests and challenges. This strengthens your online community and provides authentic testimonials and valuable visual material, increasing the likelihood of new potential buyers choosing your dealership. Tip 4. Infographics. Infographics are a powerful tool to simplify complex information and engage your audience. On social media, infographics are liked and shared 3 times more than plain text content. Use them to illustrate various aspects of your offerings like vehicle features, financing options, and customer reviews. Tip 5. Visual testimonials. In today's digital world, the voices of satisfied customers are incredibly powerful for building trust and driving sales. Record customer testimonials where happy buyers share their experiences with your dealership and vehicles. These authentic testimonials offer a personal touch that resonates with potential buyers, helping to build trust and credibility. Harnessing the power of visual marketing in the online landscape is crucial for car dealerships looking to drive more leads and boost brand recognition. By focusing on high-quality imagery, engaging video content, user-generated content, infographics, and visual testimonials, you can create a compelling online presence that resonates with potential buyers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks to master automotive marketing. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Automotive Marketing Masterclass.